Hey guys, so back in the last video, I checked the engine oil on the 2018 GMC YUKON. This is different. Reason why I recorded this video, I'm checking the engine oil on this. This is the 2019 GMC YUKON XL. Why? Because I'm checking the engine oil on this YUKON XL. Come on. Start watching the last side of this YUKON.
Oh.
Here I do a pop stop. And feel. There we go. And dipstick. See this? It's the engine oil dipstick. I'm doing.
Oh.
So I'm checking on the engine oil is at the right level here. Wipe it off. Then I'm going to insert this dipstick. It's about the transmission fluid. I'm about 3014. But I'm checking the engine oil on this YUKON XL. Checking again, wipe it off again. Then I'm going to insert it right back. Pull it out. Trying to make sure it's at the right level. Yep, I figured that. Then you step back. Then that's it. This would teach you how to check on the engine oil on the YUKON, then the YUKON XL. Thanks for watching.